Hello to whoever's watching. Ever had to deal with complex layers and finding a keyframe within it, like opening it and masks? Where is it? No, that's not the keyframe. I'm looking for FX. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. So instead of this, what you can do is select the layer you want to find the keyframe within and press the letter U. It'll reveal all the keyframes within the layer. That's it. Change what we want and then press U again to tidy it up. Okay. Another instance where this could be useful is when your composition looks like mine and you want to tidy it up. Press Ctrl A to select all the layers and press U. That's it. It'll organize all the layers for you. And you can select all and press U again to reveal all the keyframes within each layer. That's it for today. Hope that was helpful. Leave a comment below and I'll try to answer your question next. Thank you.